Hello everyone, my name is Voltage Development, or this is Voltage Development, and welcome back to another video. Now, it's been a while, probably like maybe a week or two maybe since my last video. The reason why I have not been uploading is because I've mainly been focused on my main channel, which is named Absolute Vault, my gaming channel. Like, I've been doing a lot of gaming videos on that one and focusing on it and stuff like that. But now I am not focused on like any like video making at the moment, and the reason why is because I've been using Unity, and this is what you can see right now, Unity. And um the reason why I was using Unreal Engine before is because I loved the engine of Unreal Engine so much, but ever since using Unity and also learning how to code in Unity, like, it's been such a honor to actually be able to actually use Unity, and I will show you what I have so far in this game. And I don't know if the sound can actually be recorded in this. Okay, so now we're in the game, and I have no idea what the heck is this all about. Okay, this is weird. I have no idea what that's all about. But here we are with our smooth camera, and if we go over here to have a flashlight, we've literally got like a hand icon, and we pick it up. We've got our flashlight, and we can also turn on the flashlight, but for some reason this crashes. I have no idea why, but there we go. We've got our flashlight, and we've also got our lovely door, and there we go. Right, so click to open, and here we are. And if we come away from it, it closes. Yeah. So then, there we go. And now we've got all of this lovely space. Like, I haven't developed any more of it, but I'm going to. But that's basically it of the game. So I have no idea what the hell has happened with this texture. Maybe it's like, I have no idea. Wait, hang on. Oh, okie dokie. There's more. Okay, so let's just get rid of that. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Let's get. Hang on. Hang on a minute. So, let's get rid of that one. There we go. So now, let me just play it for you. So here we go. It actually looks a lot better now. It's less glitchy. So there we go. Also, because I don't have my flashlight with me, if I press F, like, nothing happens. But yeah, of course, when I have it with me, I can now press F. But yeah, this is basically all I have done in Unity. But like, through the power of coding in C#, it's been like an absolute blast. Like, I would actually record tutorials for Unity, but I don't think I've got a good enough program to record it, because this is a very demanding software like Unreal Engine. Maybe I do have a good program to record it, but if you guys would like me to actually do, I don't know, simple tutorials in Unity, then let me know and I can deliver. But I know that you guys are wanting me to carry on the how to make FNAF game series, and I know I left it at part 6. The reason why I left it at part 6 and why there hasn't been another one is because I don't know if I can actually teach you guys anything else. Like, there's probably a lot of stuff I still haven't like shown you how to do, and it would be very, very helpful. But I've just been literally focusing on coding in Unity because because I want to like learn how to code and stuff, I can then actually get like a job and, like, I don't know, earn money and stuff, like, real world problems. I will come back to Click Team stuff. Just not sure when, though. I really do hope it's soon, because there is still a few things that I can actually show you how to do, but there's nothing really else for me to do, because I've basically shown you how to do most of the base game. Like, most of the stuff is literally just to do with like animations and making images appear here, there, and everywhere, and counters. Like, most of the event stuff and programming stuff and coding stuff in the event system of the game level, like, I've already shown you most of it, so that's why I haven't really made another tutorial, but hopefully I will make another one soon. I also know that not a lot of you liked my Unreal Engine stuff. That the reason why I started doing Unreal Engine tutorials without using my voice is because I felt as if I was literally like babbling on and rambling on and stuff like that, and it made the videos so much longer than it needed to be, and I felt that I just needed to show you how to do stuff without explaining how or why you do it like that. And I don't know if like you guys prefer like that, because I really do want to help you out, but I just don't know if my tutorials on Unreal Engine are, I don't know, decent enough. Like, nobody tells me, but I just assume things, you know? What the heck is that? Wait, hang on a minute. So this is, oh yeah, this is the canvas for the UI. Wait. Ah, yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, let's just go into 2D. There we go. So yeah, this is the user interface thingy that allows you to do like text and stuff like that. Also, I don't think I ever taught you in Unreal Engine that if you look in the hierarchy, the list of objects inside of your world, if you actually click on one of them and you actually press F on your keyboard, you can focus in. I know I'm doing it on Unity, but it's the exact same on. Wait, why does this? Why is there a sphere collider? Wait, is that a sphere collider? Wait, where? Oh, wait, what? Wait, where? Wait, what the fuck is? I'm confused. This sort of blue outline-y thing is like a sphere collider, but it's telling me I don't have one, unless I do. No, what? This makes no sense. Where is my what sphere? No, it's telling me I've got a sphere collider. Maybe. Actually, hang on a minute. If I actually sphere collider. Oh, so that's a. Then what the hell is that? I have no idea. But okay, sorry about that. I just got completely off the border there. You know, distracted. It's very easy. I will definitely come back to more video making. It's also a bit of a trouble for me because I have to literally find the time to actually upload, because I've got horrible upload speed at home. Like, I've got, I think, maybe like 800 kilobytes per second, and if I were to upload, I don't know, like 100 megabyte video or something, it would take maybe 10 minutes to 20 minutes to upload, even though it shouldn't. It does, and it's annoying. And when I do upload, like, it affects everyone in like my household. Like, whoever is using the internet at home, I basically affect them by using up all of the internet. So I literally have to pick a time to upload, and even that is stressful enough. So yeah, I'm going to end it here. Hopefully I actually come back to tutorials for Click Team Fusion. I know that I sound very I don't know, tired, or I have no idea how I am sounding, but I'm pretty stressed because I've had a stressful week. Literally the past week, exams literally every single day, and a pointless event that happened at college. So yeah, been pretty stressful, but so glad I'm using Unity because I've always wanted to use Unity, but because of how much it crashed and how much it gave me errors all of the time, it drove me away. But ever since I learnt how to code, how to do this, how to do that, like, I love it to bits. Like, literally, I love it more than Unreal Engine. You might be thinking, but you love Unreal Engine so much though. I love Unreal Engine, but even I've got to admit, Unreal Engine can be unreliable at times. But Unity, so bloody flexible. It's so open. Like, you could, it, it's just so easy to do things. And God, I wish I used Unity ages ago. But Unreal Engine is still pretty good. It's just, it's got its flaws here and there. And I just realised I'm rambling again, and it's gone on for a long time again. See, this is what I mean. I don't like rambling, but if you guys don't mind me rambling, like explaining things, then that's cool. If you do mind me doing that, please do let me know, because I do notice that I ramble on a lot. If you like listening to that, then cool. If you don't, let me know, and I will try to condense my talk down, hopefully. But yeah, thanks for watching, everyone, and this is basically an update video of what's been going on and why I haven't been uploading. So yeah, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I will hopefully see you guys soon. Goodbye, everyone.